welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the living room transformation that so many of you have been waiting to see. I want to thank you guys for being so patient with me. We have been doing so much into this house. I bought a fixer-upper. This is a 1957 little vintage home, and I absolutely love it because I have the ability to make it my very own. So having your blank canvas, you are able to do whatever you want to do. I felt with the smaller house, I wanted to keep it very cozy and intimate and just very relaxing. It's just my husband and I in this home. Even though I live in the South and there's lots of palm trees around us, inside I wanted to bring in a modern European sort of cottagey feel to the aesthetics here. And you'll see that throughout the transformation of each room. I believe that the living room has a lot of modern European influence in there. And guys, I want to show you the clips before you see the transformation. Please don't scrub past, because this transformation is absolutely major. It looked like a crime scene when I walked into this house. Guys, this house was completely neglected. There was mold and mildew, water damage was everywhere in this house. The floors had to be completely pulled. Major walls had to be taken down, trim work, everything. I mean, there was just so much damage. So there was a lot that needed to happen before we even moved in here, probably a month plus of just remediation, just getting all the mold and mildew out of the house. And I haven't said this already, but please bear with me. I have a lot of congestion. I am battling a little bit of a head cold. So that's what you will hear throughout this video. And I'm so sorry for that, guys. I feel great. I just sound terrible. So without further ado, let's get on with the living room tour. So I'm doing another walkthrough, this time a little bit more in depth. So this is a major problem here. There was water damage, some mold. The flooring needs to be replaced. So there is a fireplace here, and if you open that, there was mold. Did you see that, Justin, behind there?
Yeah, that's because they sealed it off.
So it got sucked in, yeah. So this was the water heater that exploded and caused all the problems. This room is really darling. I love this room and how it flows into the Carolina room. And then here is the garage. I don't even think I caught this yesterday, but check this out. This is like really old and super cool. Hardwood in there, yep. Custom built-ins, blue rug. So this is day one of demolition on the floor. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. They did knock down this goofy thing that was up there. We need to get a new door. So much work, but I can't wait to show you this transformation very, very soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some pieces. Everything I like is out of stock. So I love this piece. This is really cool. It's $3.99. This is called the foyer table. I'm loving these tones right now, and this is a really nice long piece here. I just spotted this from across the room. I don't know how I missed this, but I love these slipcover chairs. Absolutely love them. You can see how dirty they get, but in my house, people have to take off their shoes. And these look a lot like the Restoration hardware chairs, so definitely love that. And here was the sofa that I actually liked. You can add pieces to this one. This one is called the Tyson modular sofa. So I was gonna get 4 pieces. And I really just love the shape of it. I love the boxy modular shape, but it also, I don't know, just love the texture of it too. It has this beautiful like linen, very classy. Okay guys, I might have shared this with you already, but these are the planks. These are LVP planks. They are the clip and snap. This is in the color Dusk Cherry. They have beautiful grain. They look so much like real wood and feel like real wood, especially when you touch it, you feel the grain. This is a beautiful flooring, and we're going to go ahead. It's a weird shape, we're gonna go ahead and start. Something exciting is happening in our living room and I'm so excited. Okay, the gang's here. Let's get unboxing. All right, you guys, it is definitely not styled in here whatsoever, but here it is set up and the chairs are not gonna go here, but this is what the chairs look like. And I love that they swivel, so cool. I also love the fabric. This is like a really nice high performance fabric, guys. So if you're concerned about soiling, wear and tear, this type of fabric holds up really, really well, as well as this type. These thick woven type of fabrics are excellent for longevity. Okay, totally forgot to update you on the fireplace. I pulled out the little metal unit that was there with the faux electric little blogs. What's funny is that this is an actual wood burning fireplace, but I don't know. So I used some crud cutter, got my mop, hot water, and I am mopping inside. I'm gonna get ready to paint this with masonry paint, guys. I'm not painting the inside. I'm just gonna clean it up as well as I can. And this is going to also be painted. So we'll see what it looks like after that. But I just wanna get this sort of orangey red color out of here. Okay guys, I'm going to show you, this is the paint I'm using. Highly recommend this paint if you're dealing with any kind of brick masonry. Use this. This is the stuff. Okay, first coat done. I was able to brush and roll this really interesting brick. So I'm going to, while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little paint on here as a, top coat. And I do have to fix corners here. I think I'm going to I can just take some like feather finish and just pour a little cement in there, or I can just take joint compound too and form a little form there and let that dry. So, all right, well, let me go ahead and roll and I'll show you when I'm done with this all. Okay guys, today's mission is to get this yellow off my walls. So we are going to, I just gave it a little test run right there. And then I remember to take my camera out. So we're gonna go ahead, do some trimming, and I'm going to paint the walls today so that we can get this transformation finalized. Upon walking in, you'll see these beautiful coral, they're actually made of resin. This was my first purchase upon moving to South Carolina, and that wall leads right into the living room space. Here, those two black cabinets are from IKEA, and I placed the glass doors just to elevate them a little bit more and added the extensions. And this is what you see upon coming in. The space is much larger than what it appears on camera. Guys, it is just my husband and I, and it is a much smaller home, but it is very, very roomy, cozy, and intimate. You'll have to excuse the lack of styling here. This will be for another time. Still trying to get everything together. There's so many rooms we are still trying to finish. And there's my new baby. All my rugs are from Amazon. I absolutely love these rugs. They're neutral and just very easy to maintain. This is the gorgeous table I got from Facebook Marketplace for $125. And guys, all of these little trinkets that you'll see, and even the ones in my cabinets, are for sale on my website, vendycollections.com. I own a home interior decor website, and there's lots of beautiful pieces that are currently for sale. This is the angle from the dining room, and I just love how the light leaks into this room. It's just so cozy. This is the original fireplace and my original table from my old house. And you'll see a lot of new pieces here because my buyer, when I sold my house, bought all my furniture. So I did take my table and dining chairs with me. So here again, lacking some style because that's going to be for an upcoming video. There's just some more work I have to do. And if you missed this video, this was the first transformation room that I did. This was the Carolina room / sunroom. And this was our little hideaway while we were working on everything else. We kind of tucked away here and made it our little safe haven. Guys, this is the end of the living room transformation. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. I want to thank everyone who's tuned in to watch today. I'll see you in my next video soon.